Hello everyone, this is the Master 007 here. I'm back with another review on the 580 East 580 Super E Backhoe, made in 1/64 scale, and it's made by Ertl. First off, I just want to say, this is a nice piece. I actually found this at an antique shop, and I paid about $15 for it, and it's not bad. And as you can see, I got the front bucket all the way up. That's how far the bucket will actually go. And it's got the tires. It will roll pretty well. This is all mostly diecast metal. It looks pretty old school. And turn the back of the machine. It's got these metal stabilizers. They do not move. They do move, but they will not go up. And then you got the back of the machine. This will actually rotate a little bit side to side. And it's got your little case logo at the bottom. And but yeah, I highly recommend this little model. Add it to your collection, or it's good for kids to play in the sandbox with, or pretty much you can do anything you want with it. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the review. Have a nice day.